What's up guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make money through data entry. I'll be showing you what data entry is in particular, and I will also share with you different sites that you can work and make a lot of money with data entry. Before I go into the video, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel so that I will notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this. I want to encourage you to like this video right now. I make videos around making money online and how to build a profitable business online. If this interests you, ensure you subscribe right now and smash the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Yes. Before I get into the video, you stand a chance to win a special gift worth of $50 if you subscribe right now to this channel and like this video, like and share this video. You have to complete all these steps to make sure you win this special gift, and this special gift is for the fast action takers alone. I pick randomly to choose those who win this special gift, and you have to subscribe to this channel. You have to like and share this video, and you will find the link in the description of this video to join my channel. If you're not my Telegram channel or my Telegram community, then you won't have access to this bonus or to this special gift for you alone. You won't have access to it. So if you want to have access to this gift, you have to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and at any point in time of this video you will find a drop of an emoji. So you have to pick the time. You have to tell me the exact time that these emojis drop. It may be one, it may be two, it may be three. You have to mention the number of emoji that you see, their names, and the exact time that these emojis drop on the video. So if you are completed this and you have done this very well, then you stand a chance to win this gift worth of $50. How amazing is that? Do you know how amazing that? So without further ado, let's get to the video immediately. I'll be showing you, as I said earlier, I will be showing you what data entry means, because data entry to some people, it is new to some people, but actually you can make a lot of money with data entry without any skills. You don't need any skills, you don't need any technical skill, or you don't need to start waiting for days or times to start data entry and make money on with this data entry. You can make a lot of up to $1,000 per month with data entry. So I will show you what data entry is, and I will also show you different websites that you can work as a data entry, completing some tasks for people online. So that is basically what data entry means. In next sense, data entry means to operate equipment, often a keyboard, to input alphabetic, numeric, or symbolic data into a company system. The data entry operator may be required to verify or edit data as it is entered, or another person might do this work. The data entry may come from handwriting forms or audio files. Can you see? So that as a data entry operator, all you have to do is just to complete some simple tasks like typing, like recording your videos, or turning videos to article, or turning videos to ebook. So whatever you listen to, you hear in the video, you just write it down in writing form. Basically that's what data entry means, and with these simple tasks you can make a lot of money with this. So if you want to learn more, make sure you stick with me to the very end of this video so you don't miss any part of this process. So data entry simply means entering information from paper document into a computer using data processing software. So you are using data processing software that you are familiar with, software like Microsoft Word, to input data on your phone or on computer, and you deliver it, then you make a whopping lot of money. I will go on my system right now. As you can see, I will show you different way to make money and how to make money from this, and I will show you those who are already making money through this means. Before I will start from the simplest website that you can use to do this, and I go to the ones that you can do too, and maybe you have not heard about this site before, but you can still make a lot of money doing data entry on this platform. So ensure you subscribe right now and click the subscribe button, and don't forget that at any point of this video you will see an emoji. It may be an emoji or anything will pop up. Just mention the name of what you see, mention the name of what you see. If it's an emoji, mention the emoji's name, and tell me the exact time these emojis drop, and tell me the number of emoji that you saw. If you saw three emoji, just type three emoji in the comment section that you saw three emoji, and the name of the three emoji are so, and put the time that these three emoji drop. If it, assuming it is three, and if it is one, you just tell me the exact time these emojis drop, and you stand a chance to win this special gift of $50, right? So let's go to the video fully. Showing you the first website I want to share with you is fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. A lot of people don't know they can still make money, a lot of money from Fiverr. From anywhere you are in the world, you can start this data entry and make money online. You don't need a system to start this. All you need is your smartphone, and you are good to go, so let's type on, I'm now on Fiverr, so let's type data entry, and let's see data entry. Let's say data entry. Let's just say data entry. So, and let's see what Fiverr will bring for us, and let's search. So can you see these are people who are making a lot of money on this platform, assuming. So let's see what this guy is really doing. Let's see what this guy is doing. So can you see, I'm not signing up, so let me just close this now. Can you see data entry is saying that data entry, data crapping, email it. What this guy is doing is only, he said, I will do exact data entry, data mining, copy and paste, then web research. So what this guy is doing is just to copy something, copy a list or copy a data from somewhere to somewhere, and he's doing this for $10, and it here it has two 239 reviews. Imagine. So this guy here is doing this for just $10, so, and it's having 239 reviews, and 239 reviews doesn't mean he has only worked with 239 people. It means out of 1,000 people or more than that this guy has worked with, only 239 people drop reviews. That is why you are seeing this number. So let's just times $10 times this amount times so this, and let's see how much of dollars he has made just doing this simple task, times 239. I omitted 3, times 239, so equals to, can you see? So for this alone, this guy has just make last $2,290 for just doing this simple task. And we have another guy here too. He said, I will do any type of data entry work. So and he has worked with a lot of people, and he's also doing this for $10. And can you see the review here? We 449 people is dropping review. That means out of a lot of people that these guys have worked with, only these numbers, only 449 people has drop reviews. That's why he's having 5-star here. And can you see this guy too is also saying, I will be your virtual assistant for data entry, copy, paste, typing. Can you see? So all of these guys are making a lot of money, just typing and or copying something from one place to another, or just typing for people, just completing some simple tasks for people. And the truth is, these people that are offering this job for these people, it's not that they can't do it themselves, but they don't have the time. For you that you have the time, why can't you just embark on this and make a lot of money doing this? So I will show you another site. That you can still make money doing this, 1,000 plus offering this service here. And but you can still make money if you start today with this platform, with this with Fiverr. I will create a course about that. If you want me to create a special course about on how to rank your special gig or a new gig on Fiverr, just let me know in the comment section of this video that I should do the video. Then I will do the video for you. I don't want to do video that you won't have interest in, so let me know if you are interested in. That's why we do the video. And I want to show you some another side. And don't forget to have to stay with me to the end of this video, because I will show you everything you really need to know, and you will start making money immediately after watching this video if you really take action after watching this. So that's why you have to watch this video from the beginning to the very end. And don't forget that I will show you some websites too that you might have not heard of them before, and you can still make a lot of money with this platform and all sites too. And it is worldwide. You can do it worldwide anywhere you are in the world. So this is Upwork too. So let's search for data entry. Can you see we have data entry job? It's asking me for email. Should I type okay? Let me do that. Okay, can you see this lady here at the top is saying a motivated and enthusiastic talent requirement and acquisition professional with experience developing and executing recurring plans with both agency and in-house. Let's just leave all these stories and let's see what is what is offering for this copying and pasting job. Lady here is charging $30 per hour. $30 per hour. Can you see? And this someone here is also charging $20 per hour. Another lady here is charging $10 per hour. So it depends. It depends. So you can still embark on this platform to make a lot of money with Upwork. If you want me to make a special video on how to make more money on Upwork, to just let me know in the comment section of this video. And don't forget that at any point of this video, if one or two emoji will pop up, I have a special gift for those who get this right, and this will be the first people I will pick that randomly. I will pick that randomly dollars, and this gift worth $50. You have to tell me the exact time that these emojis drop, the name of the emoji, and the number of the emoji that you saw in this video. So now I want to go straight to the next site. So another site here we have here is Appen. Trusted partners in data for the AI life cycle. With more than 25 years of experience, we are the leader in data for the AI life cycle. We are a trusted partner for 1,000 of successful data sourcing, data and annotation, and model evaluation projects, enabling the most innovative companies to execute, expand, and improve world-class AI initiative. Can you see? So this site too, you can sign up to. Can you see? These are their partners. So these people are really doing great. You can really make a lot of money from this platform too. So you have to sign. These are their partners. So we have Amazon as their partner. We have LinkedIn. We have a lot of top big companies around the world. Even Google Self is part of their partners. So that's why you have to embark on this. And the last one I want to share with you, which is the last website I want to share with you, is called clickworkers.com. clickworkers.com. This clickworkers.com is an amazing website too that you can do a lot of data entry jobs and make a lot of money. You watch this video very well and you can apply these steps and what I share you in video. I'm very sure you will make a lot of money with that. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, I will urge you to watch this video one more time or twice again, so that you understand what I mean or everything I'm trying to say in this video. Now I said, make your AI system smarter with high-level multifaceted AI training. This platform also is an amazing place to make money with data entry. So I'm very sure you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe so you'll be notified whenever I do another video. So if you want to miss my next video, then you have to subscribe to this channel, like this video. And if you still want to make money from Fiverr, I have a video that this video will help you to make money with Fiverr completely free without any skill. Then watch this video around there. You see the video around here right now. Let's go.